What is up, boys? Today is my 20th birthday, so I thought we might as well go ahead and break down our portfolio. So maybe by this time next year on our 21st, we can go ahead and check out and look back on our portfolio from today. Now, taking a look, we actually did get a pretty good birthday present here, up $4,000 today, or around 6.5% of our account. Absolutely insane. Up to around $66,400 in total. And this week we were only up around $810, but we were down almost 5 grand at one point. Leading up to that Jackson Hole meeting, there was some volatility, so we definitely did see a pullback, but rebounded quite nicely. On the week or on the 1 month, we're still up 5 grand. We were up close to 7 at one point, but still up 5 is still very, very nice. And on the 3 month, we are still up around 13K or around 25%. Still been a really good year here, as we are still up around 41% right here, or just under $20,000. Now, I am going to briefly run through all of my positions really quickly, but I am not going to be jumping onto the chart in this video. I do just want to make a quick video breaking down my holdings and my account value for now. But our biggest holding right now is still Robinhood, up around $10,000 still. My average price is still around $44. I'm looking to low-key add some more here soon, but this is one of our best performing positions within our portfolio. Also, another important one right here is going to be Oscar. Oscar has been looking amazing, up around 10% today. I made around $1,500 on Oscar today alone, and that brings our total return to around $1,542. Also, we have Zeta up around 30% now, or around $3,000. You guys can see we are up 28% for around 20 or $3,200 gain. Still pretty good there. And also, I do want to talk to you guys about the two newest positions within my portfolio because they had some good days. Here we have Rocket Lab, which is already up around 12% for me. I posted this play 2 days ago, so if you guys would have followed that for free, easy 12, 13% right there. Same with BMNR here. While we did see a early pullback, we are now up over 7.5% right now, and the stock was up 14% today. We saw premium members make over 1,000% on some of those calls on BMNR. Now, on the Roth side of things here, we are still looking amazing as well, up to $11,752, up around $700 today. That is crazy production to see from your Roth. Over the past week, up around 400, but over the past month, we are now up around 16%, or around $1,600, looking great over there. But one last thing here on the investing side within our brokerage, ETH has now broken a new all-time highs, and while I do have a smaller position here, I do still want to talk about being up 20% right now, or around $250, and much of the same with Bitcoin, as I did just buy back in, but I do have an average of around 114,000, up around 2.5% so far. But I plan to let that continue to ride and continue to grow over time. I did just want to make a quick video talking to you guys about my portfolio right now, and comment down below what you guys think the portfolio will be at by this time next year on my 21st birthday, coming August 22nd of 2026. Now, that is really all I have for you guys. Make sure you guys do well, guys, that's really it from me. This was just my portfolio update on my birthday so that we can look at this by this time next year. Now, make sure you guys do like and subscribe as always. Maybe comment down below happy birthday if you're feeling it. And click the first link in our bio down below. Join up on our free Discord. We'll see you guys over there.